It's Joe over at Social Web Pros. So anyway, I'm sending this to you to give you some suggestions. I noticed that the searching handyman in Clarksville, Tennessee, you guys come up on top already, and that's probably why you're getting a lot of calls. This business you just bought. So I think this is already serving its purpose. I can do a little more SEO on it, search engine optimization. I noticed that it only has two backlinks. This is your website right here, and it only has one referred domain. It does have high domain rating because it looks like it's a Google domain. Um, the server, everything that I'm looking at, the organization is Google. Um, and so I think leaving it where it's at right here with the website, connecting all this is already giving you pretty good exposure. I'm gonna recommend that we do like either a power wash website in a one of these for power wash or for painting, or we can do a combination of both because you're already ranking for handyman within the business you just bought, and there's no sense in giving this location competition with another handyman. Um, Google My Business. This is a GMB, a Google My Business. So I'm gonna recommend that we go for like let me see, we can say either power power washing, power washing, and then we can go after these guys, and you can rank up here for power washing, or we can go interior painting, interior painting, and see what kind of, see, I mean, yeah, the other handyman business doesn't show up for those keywords, is what I'm trying to show you. And so we can go after um, those two keywords, either interior painting in Clarksville or power washing. So you have another one of these for another service. So you already have that one for handyman service up on the top. Then we'll build one for either interior painting or power wash or a combination of both uh, to give these guys competition. That's my suggestion because you have this Mr. Fix It. It's been around for since 2017, so it's got um, some age on it. It's been around for 3 years already, and so it's good. Um, let's see here. It hasn't been crawled by this company yet, and I'm wondering why. So I think it's gonna need some because the backlinks and the referendums is poor. It's gonna need some SEO. I'll help you with that as part of our service. It's gonna be a process though, but I'll help you, get these backlinks up and get you to rank pretty solidly where you're at, and so you don't lose the top position you're in right now. So anyway, give me your thoughts, but I think that's probably the best way to go. Either go with uh, Clarksville painting. Let me see some of these names: Martin, Hunter, uh, JNR, blah blah blah. Let's see. I usually like to use like Clarkville, Clarkville painting, interior painting, Clarksville interior painting, or Clarksville power wash, because when people search, they usually use the service plus the city. So I want to incorporate, just like this guy here, Clarksville professional interior painter. He used the word Clarksville, right? And so it helps with ranking on top. Um, so anyway, that's what I'm gonna recommend we do. I'm gonna send you a preliminary website, and then we'll start with trying to get you to rank for those other two services. Okay. Anyway, I just wanted to show you what I saw and uh, give you those two suggestions. All right, talk to you soon. Bye bye.